how you guys doing? Oh my days, I am so excited. You know why? Because I'm about to tell you guys the beautiful, beautiful news. But before that, it's your girl Evie Sparkles. Oh my days, aka Ebube Priska Anosike, the billionaire's wife. Yes, I preach it and it came. Let me not say it. Okay, guys, so I what did I tell you guys I was gonna do? Okay, I promised to tell you guys about my relationship status. Guess what? Ta-da! Oh my God! I said yes to my man. I know a lot of you have been saying, who is this man? Who is this man? Guess who he is? Oh yes, this man is the love of my life. Like, he loves me from top to bottom. Like I told you guys, I do not settle for less. Like, I aim higher, and that's why when they see me for press. Yes, now, oh my days, he's the love of my life. He brought me from grass to grace. He gave me everything I've ever wanted. And who is this man?
What is this girl up to?
What do you expect from all these social media clout chasers? You know how they go about pulling stunts just to attract the men's folk and followers on their pages.
I detest them. They are warmongers indirectly looking for men to sleep with. Look at her background. It is obvious this girl is poor. A gold digger she is.
Alex Prescott, an international money mug. Oh my God, guys! You know I always aim higher. I never settle for less, and that's why you didn't see me for press. Yes, guys. Okay, guys. Yes, he is not ostensible. He is a business money mug for sure. Yes, guys. Oh my days. Alexis Prescott is just the best thing that's ever happened to my life. Thank you so much, baby. And yes, in celebration of my engagement, my baby said that he's going to do a meet and greet for my fans. You know he's not on social media. You can't see him. But you are going to see him someday. And guess when? On my wedding day. Guys, okay, so do not forget to share my life. Do not forget to tell your family and friends to join me, because I don't want you guys to miss out on this juicy gist. You know now, you know the queen of positive vibes. So guys, thank you so much. Do not go anywhere, because this page is for you. Invite your friends, share my life, tell them to come to EB Sparkles, because it's all about positive vibes, baby. I love you guys. Thank you very much. We'll talk again next time. I love you guys. Mwah. Later. Bye. Hey mama, no more insufficient fun.
Ebube Chukwu. Ebube, give me insufficient fund. What is insufficient fund? What? What is insufficient fund?
We need sufficient fund.
And that was quite extreme. I wonder what kind of effrontery she had to rope our boss into this social media stunt.
I don't know, and I don't care. All I know is that I am going to find and teach her a lesson. This is totally unacceptable.
Welcome, boss. You're welcome, boss.
Yeah. Very. So, Barry, what is totally unacceptable?
Some girl is using the name of your family and our company to hurt and gain followers to herself. What nonsense!
What's her name?
She calls herself Ebube Anosike Priska.
Ebube Priska Anosike. The same girl that came to this company to look for a job and failed.
Exactly. You see that she has a whole lot of bad things on her sleeve, As a matter of fact, we don't have to let her go away with this.
Sir, you have a lot of mail in the inbox that needs to be replied. Our group manager in Port Harcourt just called to bring it to notice.
You see? You see what I am saying? That girl from the gutters has succeeded in directing the spotlight to her direction, and she wants to rob the company into it. We shouldn't hesitate to strike her before she gains ground.
Listen to me. You don't have to do anything right now. Whatever you do will make her more popular and also make her relevant. So, we have to ignore her for now.
She know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press. Ibis back up, living on their so wife for her. Mama insufficient for
Honestly, sir, I am marveled how you said we should ignore such blogs that is geared towards jeopardizing the image of this firm.
This is nothing but a small screen, I think. Maybe it's one of our competitors that engaged her to use our reaction to such gimmicks to buy sympathy and divert the attention of our customers to them.
You are right, sir, but don't you think we should run a discreet background check on the lady in question to know who she is and possibly know what she stands to achieve by her actions?
That's a very good point. You made a very good point, but see what you're going to do. I want you to organize an espionage team that will make a research on the young girl and get me every details of where she's living.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing. Do not allow the right hand to know what the left hand is doing.
Most definitely, sir.
Good. You can go.
She know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press. Ibis back up, living on their so wife for her.
What is insufficient fund? Bube, I'm joking. What is insufficient fund? Let me tell you, this house will not contain us. How could you do such a thing? You want to endanger our lives.
Mama,
why?
I am not endangering our lives. Mama, calm down now. I'm only giving us a platform to climb to the top. Mama, I aim higher. I do not settle for less, and that's why they see me in the press.
Which
Calm
higher?
down.
Which top? My friend, that information is misleading and could chase away intending suitors who would love to marry you. Bube, calm down. Don't put us in trouble.
Mama, nobody is getting into trouble. Mama, if you just calm down and just, follow my lead, Mama, we will make money. I will make money in this life and I will change your life. Mama, I want to be a social media influencer. By this way, I know I will climb to the top. Follow my lead. Mama, see top. From up to down, see me here. And remember, Mama, just look at me here. Look at us here.
My friend, stop confusing yourself. Okay, na cheap boy confusion, Nisi. What is your problem? Let me tell you, I don't like this. I do not like this one bit. And I will not venture when any problem comes up.
Mama, I will not. I'm going to be a very big
time. You will hear it. And that time it will be no more insufficient food.
Mama. Me, I know that I'm going to be big. I cannot settle for less. Yes, so no more insufficient fund. That is my goal. How can I be suffering? Oh, my views.
She know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press. Ibis back up, living on their so wife for her. Mama insufficient fund. You see this fame, I must to get that more. I must to get that.
The level of desperate ladies now, Look, just take a look at this one. She talks say he be sparkles. Claiming to be Alexis Prescott's girl. See my tower.
Wow, this life, Yes, they do everything for money.
You mean You get level. This level is as in ultra mode. How? Tomorrow now you go talk say I be brand influencer, I be this, I be marketer, I be celebrity, I be press. Nah rubbish, all these things nah wash, scam.
But wait, so you send it on social media, the motto is fake it until you make it. Anything for the gram, my brother.
Madam, I beg, give me rice.
Small
They buy fake ring.
And this press control down they go almost all the countries. They talk say they show ring like cut down and
Then follow him, I made the rope.
you know go find work do. So they find shortcut. You go chop money anyhow. You know well. No go join you. This must be go lead you to hellfire. If it go lead you to hellfire.
Thank you. Let me video go, then they come back.
Please leave me, I beg. What do you want me to hear out? I am not interested in whatever you have to say. I have no business with you, Nze. Please leave me up, leave me alone. What is it?
Hey, how long do you want me to just say that I'm sorry? I've always apologized to you and I'm still apologizing.
And I have forgiven you. All I am saying is move on with your life and I'll move on with mine. That is all. Leave me.
Everyone, listen, I cannot move on. We have shared something so long that it is very difficult for me to move on. Unless you are going to tell me that you never loved me all this while.
How dare you? How dare you, Nze? Oh, you want to play emotional blackmail on me? Look at you. You know I loved you. I gave you my love. I gave you everything because I knew you did something for me. And I loved you. But what did you do? Don't make me remember what you did, though. Don't just make me remember what you did. If you know what is good for you, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Isha Popo, coconut head. Don't ever talk to me again. Nonsense. Let me hear. I know that very soon I will change this house. I will make money. I know that I will move from grass to grace truly. For all you enemies of progress, don't worry, you will hear my story. Hukulu kokwefelu. Iyo. But I didn't get that. Woo!
She know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press, Ibis back up.
Anne, how are you?
Been trying to reach you all day. I did.
I messed up.
No, you didn't. You can't give up now. You have to set your mind on the goal and pay no attention to what people are saying. People are going to definitely tongue lash you. That's part of the price to pay on your way to achieve your goal.
But they are kind of right. I mean, I can't be pretending to be Alex's fiance and I'm staying in this shabby and dilapidated house. I need to stay in a very convincing apartment that befits Alex Prescott's fiance.
The last message should encourage you. You know, you can use my place.
And what did you say?
Yes, since my husband relocated to the UK, it has been unoccupied. We were considering putting it up for a sale. But you can stay there for the meantime.
Anne, you don't mean... Wait, Anne, hold on. Even if I stay in your place now, I mean, I need hairs, phones, clothes to look good, to show that to befit my status. I don't know if you understand. I don't have all those things. And those things are very expensive. The money I have will not be able to buy a good phone.
Of course, we are friends. And I haven't forgotten the role you played in helping me meet my husband.
Hey! Anne, come here. Thank you very much. And thank you. God bless you, Anne. And thank you very much. I appreciate.
You don't have to say anything. What do they say about birds of the same feathers?
You will pay for everything. And you buy it. And okay. Thank you very much. I'll prepare.
You are welcome and good luck.
Okay. Thank you very much. Woo! Umwano. Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, EB Sparkles, aka the billionaire's wife. Guys, lovers, yes, you all are my lovers despite your hateful comments. I saw the comments. I was like, oh my goodness, so people can actually hate me this way. Why are you following me if you don't like me? That means you love me. Yes, whether you like me intentionally or not, you love what I do. See, it's all about positive vibes around here. It's all about positive energy. Are you looking at me? Yeah, you're my lovers. Oh, my content. Oh, you know me. I'm just trying to bring it natural. I don't have to farm. This is where I stay. Oh yes, I grew up here and I'll be myself. Now, why I came on live today is to tell you guys the good news. I saw some of your comments and of course I wouldn't read everything because I don't have the time for that. Some encouraging, some they spoke out of jealousy and they were saying, oh, look at the place I stay. They were saying all sort of things to me. But let me tell you guys something, okay? Now, because I'm a lovable person and because the love of my life, Alexis Prescott, loves me so much, I munched some of those comments and I sent it to him. And he said, well, you know what, baby girl? You know what, my sweetheart, my wife to be? I'm going to surprise you. So my Prince Charming, yeah, you had that right, is going to surprise me with a new apartment this weekend. You see? From grass to grace. It's always advisable for you to be yourself. People will take you the way you are. They will love you the way you are, regardless of whatever. Now, a piece of advice to you out there. Do not be fake. Even an ordinary poor girl can be loved by a person like Alexis Prescott. So you better get that. I have to leave you guys. Peace out as you think about it. Think about it, all right? I love you guys. Remember, positive vibes only. Ciao. Later. Bye.
And that is why you see her for press, yeah. Ibis back up, living on their so white for her. Mama insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, mama insufficient for love. Yeah, we must get the publicity.
Ebube, eke bolo. Enule, eke bolo. She don't Isano.
So you go see me for press, yo. Mama insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, mama insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must to get that more. She ain't very high. She know they settle for less. is why you see her for press, yeah. Ibis back up, living on their so wife. I never insufficient for me. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, never insufficient for me. We must get it publicity. I must to get that more. Celebrity life too sweet.
Start making money, that's video money, spending the money. Allow me to do what I want to do.
See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less. So
Comments.
see me for press.
Mama!
Insufficient for me. You see this
Have mercy on yourself.
I must to get that more.
Positive vibes only.
Insufficient for me. Yeah. We must get it publicity.
Of course I know this is your life, but what do you tend to achieve?
Fame, popularity, stardom. Babe, I am obsessed with being a star. I want to be seen round the world, worldwide.
And you choose to do that with the name of a reserved person whom nobody knows if he exists.
That is the plan. Babe, let me tell you, this stunt of mine will bring him out from his shell. Yes, now, if he tries to debunk my claim, I try another one. It will stir everything up. And then people will start coming to my page, left, right, and center. Who is this girl? We want to know this girl. Endorsement deals. People start saying I should influence their brands. Negativity. Let me tell you something. Negative vibes sells more. Look at you. Look at you. You don't understand. Get the point. Babe, clout chasing is the new thing. It's the new deal.
But how do you tend to cloud chase in this kind of house? Your mother's house is dilapidated and a test of your impoverished status. So how do you intend to achieve this?
You too like English. Siren no dey follow certificate, my sister. You dey speak English, you know sabi use am. Let me tell you something. You know Anastasia now? My friend from school. She's in the UK with her husband. And this same thing I'm doing is the way she got her husband. So she said I should go to her house, and stay there and do my thing.
She gave you her consent.
Of course. Everything I know now. The game where they play now, she teach me. She taught me everything, girl. Like I said, this same thing was the way she got her husband. If it can work for my friend, it will work for me. Yes. No publicity is a bad publicity. Every publicity na good publicity. Look at you. You don't even know anything.
It's obvious you have everything planned out.
Of course.
Very obvious.
Yes. Girl, you need to wise up. See, let me tell you something. Relax. Buy your popcorn. Get ready. And watch how the movie plays out. You don't trust me again. You don't ask me to do am. Hey God. I don't settle for less. Girl, I aim higher. I don't settle for less. They go to see me for press. They go to play. Uncle. My uncle. Hey. Hello, Uncle.
Ebube, how are you?
I'm fine. Good day.
Good. The news about your engagement to Alexis Prescott is everywhere. On every social media page.
Oh, Uncle, yeah, you saw it. It happened all of a sudden. I mean, his love for me is so much, and I love him too. So he engaged me, yeah.
Oh, that is good. Very good. See, I really need your help, Ebube. You see, there is this business contract I've been chasing with his company for a long time, but I have not been able to have access to meet with him in person. Do you think you can arrange this for me?
Uncle, sure, of course, Uncle. Your family now. Of course, I can do anything for family. But the thing is that my husband, Alexis Prescott, traveled out of the country. You know, he's a very wealthy man. So he travels from countries to countries. Once he's back, as soon as he's back, I will let him know of your call, and he will put a call across to you.
Oh, that's okay. Of course, I will appreciate you when you do that for me. Thank you very much.
Okay, Uncle. All right, Uncle. Thank you very much.
All right. Yes, I'm proud of you.
God bless you.
Now what for you?
On my way to stardom. Hey! See, babe, is it fame? Hey, God! God! Ha! Road to popularity. Who says stardom not a sweet? It is sweet.
Man, everybody. How long are you gonna go on with these lies?
As long as they keep believing it. Girl, look at my uncle. You see what I've been telling you? Fame. Don't play with fame. Girl, don't play with fame. Look at my uncle that after I finished school, he said I shouldn't stay in their house to look for a job. That I should go back to the village. Now he's calling me. The rejected one has now become the cornerstone, the chief cornerstone. Now he's calling me to help him link him up with Alexis Prescott, since he's my fiance, so that they can do a deal. Have you seen how life is? Just see how life has turned out to be. You see how? Fame is everything. Ha!
So, what do you intend to do about this?
My girl, I'll play the game. I will do everything possible to buy time. Telling him that he traveled out is to buy time for myself. Then, when he don't choke, I'll just get someone to play as the imposter husband. Yes, I'll get someone to play as Alexis Prescott. That's what I'll do. Yes, now the controversy be this now. No publicity is a bad publicity, girl.
Mama, you dey talk too much.
You talk too much.
Just calm down.
You dey craze for your
Calm down, okay? So, don't say I'm asking so much question, but where do you want to get this person that wouldn't spill your secret? Where do you want to get this person that will play this game? And how do you intend to pay the person?
You get the kind of question where you go person glass, bless me, I'll slap you. You don't ask question.
Oh, no, we need to train with caution.
Why are you talking like you're dumb, girl? Why are you talking like you're dumb? Girl, let me tell you something. Anastasia will fix it all. She said I shouldn't worry. All I have to do is just get a housekeeper, get a gatesman, get a cook. Alright, get anybody to do the house chores for me, and then I should just sit and relax and do my thing, play my game. Hey, and they look me as a star right now, my friend. If I tell you, babe, massage my leg. I'm a star.
Hey, your father.
Girl, calm down. You see that city? We go enter that city, we will scatter everywhere. Social media is not ready. Girl, I'm all about playing this game till the last. If I no win this game, no say my name no be Priska no CK. They be mad.
Baby, you dey hot so. Anyways, I dey your back.
This face needs to be very, very visible. I need to get these shots very well. Bam! Hey, with me, huh? Hey. Oh my days. Mama,
What are you doing?
what am I doing like what? Well, if you must know, these posters, later I'll go and post them. In fact, I'll post one here, so that people will know that it is real. Then I'll go to Mama Nkechi's house, that's your best friend. I'll go to that their compound and post one there, bam. Then I'll go to the junction and post the last one there. They need to know that it is true that Alexis Prescott is engaged to me. Yes. And they need to know that I have stepped up and I am now the new face of Prescott Cosmetics. Oh yes, Mama. Oh
But
yes.
that is fraud.
Mama, that is what you call it, oh. That is what you call it. What I call it, fake it till you make it.
Huh?
Mama, I aim higher. Mama, in this life, you need to package yourself. If you don't package yourself, nobody will look at you. Mama, don't worry. Calm down. By the time I am done, hey, Mama, by the time I am done, I am going to tush you up. I will change your life.
Abram tissue. You cannot touch me.
Mama, cool down. Calm down. Relax, let me finish. Mama, calm down.
Let me bring myself down and be honest.
Oh, okay, it's time. Mama, please. I want to go on live. I need to tell my fans some things, okay? Just go inside later. Mama, because I don't want them to see you see you wearing wrapper. You're tying a wrapper on your chest. Mama, go inside, please. Let me make my live video. Because gawa. Let me
I'll wait for you. Hey, baby. Hey.
Go inside.
Njukwan.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? It's your girl EB Sparkles, aka Queen of Positive Vibes, yeah, and that's on period. Guys, like you know, I am Alexis Prescott's fiance. I bring you guys good tidings. Guess what? I have just been made the face of Prescott Groups and Company. Oh yes, or rather you are looking at the face of Prescott Cosmetics brand ambassador, guys. I am so happy. Now all I want you guys to do is hurry up to their Instagram page, Prescott Group of Companies, and follow them. And when you follow them, make sure you buy all their products because they have amazing products. When you go to their page, you'll see all the exquisite, amazing, beautiful product that they have for you. You already know when I'm involved, on God, it is a sold out gang. Guys, okay, I'll come on live 6 p.m. today. Make sure you do not miss out on this one. Remember, my fiance and I, we love you guys. Thank you so much. Ciao. See you guys later. Ogona.
Get up, Leo.
Ogona.
What is Leo? What is Leo? Hey!
She know they settle for less.
Including you, I'll see you later. Hey! Aha! Mama, how do you see it?
You see this fame, I must.
Let me get my best.
Mama,
where is my best?
You are lost. If listen. What are you trying to? That's the best.
I won't settle for less, so you can see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love.
What have you been able to find out about imposter parading herself as the proposed wife of the Prescott?
Honestly, sir, a lot about the Lady Ebube is vague and is of no great value to write home about. I guess she's still hiding a lot about herself for clandestine backups.
I do not care. My question is this. What are your findings?
She's the only child of a petty trader, Charity Anosike. History about the dad is not known as he was not recorded dead or alive. She stays in the outskirts of the town with her mom. She's an extremist, a cloud chaser who can go to any length just to pull stunts that will help her gather attentions. Oftentimes, for vain gratifications.
And that's all?
That will be all for now.
Okay, I would want you to get the accurate address of her house for personal reasons.
Pardon my curiosity, sir. What is your interest in her?
And why do you ask?
Getting involved with such lady can pose as an irredeemable threat to your reputation. Don't forget who you are, sir.
Okay. At this point, I want you to concentrate on your work within the circle of my directives. Allow my reputation to be my concern.
Okay, sir.
Good.
She know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press. Ibis back up, they've been on their so wife. I no more insufficient for no. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for no. We must get the publicity. I must get that. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up. No matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less. So you go see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient from the we must get the publicity. I must to get that more. She aim very high. She know they settle for less. And that is why you see her for press. Ibis back up. They've been on their so wife. I no more insufficient for love. You see this.
Okay, you didn't come out. I don't give the food now.
This is the height of it, and this must stop. We need to do something to stop this girl because she can start using this medium to scam people.
She has only, through her social media, started promoting our products on a remote local level.
A stranger, printed flyers and posters of our product. And all you are doing is support her?
Do not get me wrong. I'm not supporting anybody. But what I'm saying is very simple. If we should spend money on adverts, we're going to spend millions. I hope you know that. But a young girl came up with an idea on her own to promote and publicize our product. Yes, whatever she's doing might be a fraud, if only she doesn't have her name on our product. Okay? All we have to do now is to take an advantage of her advert placement and publicity.
Mr. Prescott, this has never been the scope of the organization. Neither has it been part of the networking strategy. I'm sure it has never been. So why?
The posters and flyers have our address on it. So whoever that wants to buy will get the address and contact through that place. She can only gain followers on social media. I mean, if her aim is not to chase clout.
Oh, please. Please, this is sickening. What do you have with that girl that is making you drag your feet to attack her?
Hey! Mind what you say. I am still your manager, so as your boss in this place. So watch your tongue. Good. You may all go back to your various duties.
Aim very high, she know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press. Ibis back on, they've been on their so white.
What is going on, Barry? What is this?
In there you are my boss, but right here you are my brother. What is going on?
What is going on where?
What is so fascinating about that girl that you have refused to charge her for impersonation? Are you sort of nurturing a stupid feeling for her?
I beg your pardon.
What happens to your lovely wife that you are married to?
I beg your pardon, Barry. You know me to be bigger than catching such feelings with so testacious woman.
Then what changed? Why are we not agreeing together to form a strong force to stop that girl from destroying the reputation and standards of this firm?
Listen to me, Barry. I know distraction when I see one, and this is one of them. What should occupy your mind is making a research and complying convincing strategy on how to bring Big Wig International to invest in our company. Okay? You take care of yourself and send me well tomorrow.
Aim very high, she know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press. Ibis back on, they've been on their so white for no more insufficient for no. You see this fame, I must to get that more. I must to get that.
Oh yes, guys. You guys know me. I always make good fulfillment of my words. I told you guys that you will be the first to see my new apartment. Do you want to see it? Now, this this is my new apartment, bought by my sweetheart, Alexis Prescott. To be honest with you guys, I owe it to you. I mean, he was going to buy it sooner or later, but your comments made it faster. Thank you so much for trusting me, guys. Thank you for loving me. In another word, I will choose you all over and over again. I mean, thank you so much. And I know a lot of you have been asking, we want to see Alex Prescott. We want to see Alex Prescott. Guess what? Guess what? You are going to see him very soon. And where? On our wedding day! Guys, I need to twerk for you guys. I mean, I need to, shake my booty. Booty. Hold up. Okay. I need to shake my booty. Hey. You know I'm a married woman, I can't do all that. Okay. So, yes, I have to go in there and do something. So when I'm back, I will show you the outside. Mado, guys, Mado. A big thank you to my fiance, Alex Prescott. Baby, I love you so much. Thank you so much for everything. And guys, I'll see you in a bit, okay? Mwah! I love you guys. Woo! I don't tire. Which kind of life is this? Who sent me? This is not funny. Ebube, are you sure this is not too extreme? Are you sure you are not going to sink with this stunt when things get messier? God, oh, I'm only avoiding insufficient fund, oh. I'm only avoiding insufficient fund. I want to just alleviate poverty from my family. This is just a poverty alleviation program for me. God, please. As much as I'm doing this, I still want to find true love. I don't want to get married and live unhappy. Mama, this thing is stressful, I beg. Beg. Stressful.
She know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press.
What exactly does this lady want?
What else if not cheap publicity? She is just a clout chaser. Have you seen her followership? That girl has gained a good number of followership over the couple of days. This is illegal and we have to act now.
If by acting you mean we sue her, then it's not necessary.
Not necessary?
That is what it is. Come on, Barry. Look at the lady in question. We can't cater to such trivialities. Do you want us to give her more attention more than what she's getting now? Do you want the name of the company to be dragged to the mud by one little girl who can do anything to buy pity and tarnish the image of the company? Oh, come on, we are bigger than that.
Triviality, you say? What if we debunk her claims? I honestly do not understand why we are being silent on this issue. If we keep quiet, she will gain more ground into such impunity.
And you see, that is what she wants. If we come out to debunk her claims, she'll become more popular. And at the end, we'll see ourselves dancing to her tunes.
You are a Prescott, yet you seem not to be bothered about any of this.
Those people who are supposed to be bothered, is it? So why should I?
Alexis is not a social media person, you know that. I'm not even sure he's aware of what is going on. You made sure of that. Yes, you gave instructions not to bring it to his notice.
I assure you that he knows everything that is going on. So if you don't mind, sister, I am busy. So you can go back to your seat. Concentrate.
We must get the publicity. I must get that. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up no matter what you need, you take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less. So you go see me for press. I'm
just living the la vida local lifestyle. My fiance, Alexis Prescott, is just making me so happy. I mean, you need to see. Gave to me. You want to see it? Guys, I know I'm living the baby girl lifestyle. I mean, my fiance did it. Yeah, make sure you join my next live video because I will be doing a giveaway. And I know you don't want to miss out. Okay, later guys. I love you guys. Mwah. Okay, bye. Who is that? Who is that? Huh?
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
I saw a notice at the gate which says
A housekeeper and a gate man are needed urgently.
Oh, that. Is that what you're here for?
Yes, ma'am.
Have we met?
No, not at all. I don't think so.
Come in.
Vision from the we must get the publicity. I must get that. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up no matter what we go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less. So you go see me for press.
Are you sure we haven't met before?
Not at all.
You see this fame, I must get that more. I must get that joy, no more insufficient from the world. We must get the publicity. I must get that more. She aim very high. She know they settle for less. And that is why you see her for press. Ibis back on. Living on their so wife. I no more insufficient for the world. You see this fame, I must get that more. I must get that joy, no more insufficient for the world.
Mr. Agamba, that's your name, right?
Yes, alias Papa Eguregu.
Alias what?
Papa Eguregu.
Okay. Have you done this gateman job before?
Yes, but I prefer to be referred to as a security man.
Why so?
Because it makes the job I do sound oyiboik and also very important.
You're quite hilarious. So tell me, what happened at your previous job?
I worked for the Okoyes for a donkey years, but they relocated to the Alamburungu of London, and the new occupants said they cannot afford a security man for now.
I see. I need a very active gate man, security man like you want to be called. Do you think you fit that role?
Ma, with my years of experience, I think I'm more than fit for the job.
Well, okay. Do you know Alexis Prescott?
I do know the name, but it's the face behind the name that nobody knows.
Well, you're looking at Alexis Prescott's fiancé.
No.
Yes. He bought me this house.
How I wish to meet him and behold the face behind such a popular name.
Well, if it may interest you, everybody wants to meet him. Alexis is my husband-to-be. He's a very discreet and a quiet person. He has a very small circle, very tiny. Even his workers, some of his workers are yet to know him.
Ma, please, because I'm the best for this job.
My husband-to-be will be the judge of that.
I've got to meet him.
And I'm sorry to disappoint you, you wouldn't meet him. You can't meet him. As I'm talking to you, he's watching us. Yes, we have CCTV cameras everywhere. You won't see it, don't worry. It's hidden cameras here and there. So he will get back to you.
Please, man, getting this job will be the most fulfilling of my life.
Go and pray hard.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Gumba.
Ma.
Are you sure I haven't met you before?
No, not at all. I don't think so.
You're very sure?
Maybe I look like somebody you know.
Oh, I forgot that I am a celebrity, so I have a lot of fans worldwide. I forgot that.
Maybe.
Run along. Go. And make sure you pray hard, okay?
Okay. Hey, I hope I've not said or done anything to put him off.
Go!
Vision from the rock. We must get it publicity. I must get that. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up. No matter what you need, go take you.
Hey. Anybody who says fame is not good will not see anything good in this life.
Insufficient for love. You see this fame.
But I hope things won't get messy in time to come.
Insufficient for love. We must get it publicity. I must get that. She aim very high. She know they settle for less.
Ogogo, what kind of a friend are you to Ebube, my daughter?
Mama, I don't understand your question.
What is there not for you to understand? You sit and watch your friend heading for destruction without you saying or doing anything.
Destruction?
Yes, destruction. That is what she is doing to herself with that criminal act of hers. You need to advise her. Talk to her. You need to advise her to quit on time. You need to make her see the impending doom she is trying to bring upon herself.
Mama, there is nothing I haven't said to Ebube. But you know, Ebube can be very stubborn. And you know when she sets her mind on something, it is almost impossible to dissuade her.
Ogogo, I know. But you are her closest friend. Advise her. Pikon. Make her see why she has to quit before it is too late.
If she cannot listen to you, that is her mother, I wonder who she will listen to. So, don't worry, she has everything under control.
We need to save her from herself. Yes, I want Ebube to marry, for that is every mother's wish. But not fraudulently. Eh?
Mama, I think it's time you start looking at the brighter side of this.
What brighter side?
Mama, Ebube is getting more followers by the day. Her social media is increasing every day. And as controversial as it may seem, she's getting more deals every day. Mama, think about it.
A public figure built on lies. What will be her fate when the fake engaged man comes out to debunk the lies? Eh? Have you thought about if she's being sued? Because that will soon happen. Then everybody will see her for who she truly is. A scam. No man in his right sense would like to marry a woman like that. Okay, look at Nze. Is Nze not man enough? He is ready to worship the ground Ebube Chukwu walks on. But she wouldn't let him. She thinks that she has all the time in the world Oge nwaanyị na-agakwa aga. Ama mmema.
I know, Mama. But I think she has everything thought out and figured out.
Our people say that who the gods want to kill, they first make mad. Even the Holy Bible says that there's a way that seems right to a man, but the end is destructive.
She seemed to know exactly what she's doing. Okay, so relax. Just relax. Go.
Have you been listening to me? I am telling you on how to advise your friend. You are talking about having everything figured out. What is figured out? Ogogwamobi. The lies, the fake ring, the fake self, everything fake is figured out.
You can see me for press, yo. Am I insufficient for love? You see this fame, I must get up.
Alright. Thank you so much, Mrs. Prescott. Hope I can call you that.
Oh, well, we are not married yet, but we will soon be wedded. So, of course, you can address me that.
Oh, great.
Yes.
We look forward to having a great and a blissful working relationship with you.
Of course, I promise to be of great service to this brand, and I promise you that with me being your brand ambassador, your name will be on the top chart, and it's going to be a sold-out gang. Trust me.
Thank you, and thank you again.
Thank you too.
I was wondering if it's possible to have a physical meeting with Mr. Prescott. I know and I understand he's an introvert. However, it's going to be a very good idea to actually put a face on this sensational name.
Well, that's so thoughtful of you, but my husband appears to have visual bibliophobia.
Oh no, it means phobia for media.
Yes. Oh yes. So, he's more of an introvert. I'm more of the crazy girlfriend. So, you know how it is.
No wonder they say opposite attracts.
Exactly. But not to worry. Someday soon I will drag him out of his shell and then you can meet him. How about that?
You sure he's gonna agree to that?
Of course. You know how my husband can be. But not to worry. Very soon I will pull him out of his shell.